Since 1924, Irwin Vice Grip has been a legend in the tool industry. The tool that stands for strength and dependability. The tool that tradesmen choose first and pass on to the next generation. The tool that continues to set the standards for quality and innovation, today and tomorrow. Irwin Vice Grip Groove Lock pliers are the new standard in groove joint pliers. They're an incredible 2 times faster than traditional groove joint pliers. They have precise jaw positioning with twice the groove positions as the competitors' pliers. Vice Grip Groove Lock pliers have an all-purpose jaw that grips flat, round, hex, and square surfaces. Plus, the anti-pitch handles protect your palms in case the tool slips from the workpiece. And the lifetime guarantee means you can trust the tool to be dependable and of the highest quality. Now available in V-jaw, straight jaw, and smooth jaw with sizes ranging from 6 to 20 inches. Vice Grip Groove Lock pliers deliver exceptional performance every time, no matter what type of work surface.
Hi, I'm Pat Payne, training manager at Irwin Industrial Tools. I've been using tools for over 30 years, and I'm proud to say I have never worked with a better pair of pliers than Irwin Vice Grip Groove Lock pliers. Let me show you why. One of the most innovative features about Vice Grip Groove Lock pliers is that they adjust 2 times faster than traditional groove joint pliers. With the Vice Grip Groove Lock press and slide button, I can quickly adjust to any work surface with one simple push. Another innovative feature of the Vice Grip Groove Lock pliers is the multi-groove ratcheting system. They have twice as many groove positions as traditional groove joint pliers, so it's really easy to get precise positioning on any size or shape workpiece. And by the way, our ProTux grips have anti-pinch handles to protect your hands in case the tool slips off the workpiece. Let's listen to what some Vice Grip Groove Lock users have to say.
My name's Chad Fitzgerald. I've been auto technician for 6 years. I use the Groove Lock pliers for brakes and alignments. The groove locks actually help you get the job done a little faster. You aren't taking them out of hard-to-reach spots and readjusting, open the jaw. I think they're well crafted. I like the jaw design in particular because it allows you to get more grip.
You need groove joint because of the safety, the grip. So it lets me grip anything I want. Once I cut that steel, it gets so hot, I don't want to touch it with my hands, so I'm going to have to put it in water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these vice grips, I'm going to push it down, push the magic button as I like to call it, and then I'm going to just slide it up, just like that. Once I get it towards the metal to the right grip, I get the squeeze, and then that's where that grip comes in, and I trust these. I believe these will last me a lifetime.
My name is Patrick Baumgardner. I've been in the automotive industry for 18 years. I'm an automotive ASE master technician, and I've probably been using these Vice Grip tools for 30 years. Having this button here, you don't have to completely open the jaws in order to release this back down to then readjust it, for another opening. I can depend on my groove locks, so that if I need a pair of pliers, I go for these first.
Look for Vice Grip Groove Lock pliers wherever Irwin Vice Grip is sold. They are 2 times faster than traditional groove joint pliers with